When you need full-size performance in a low-capacity package, choose the Springfield Armory XD 5-inch in 9mm black. Chambered in 9mm, this XD delivers the perfect blend of power and precision with 10+ 1 rounds capacity and 2 magazines included. A full 5-inch hammer-forged barrel, treated in melanite and rifled 1 in 10, puts every shot exactly where you want it, time after time. The forged steel slide and black polymer frame combine unmatched durability with manageable weight, just 0.8 kilograms on the nose. Overall length, 8.3 inches, long sight radius for enhanced accuracy, yet still concealable and carry-friendly. Softened recoil and rapid follow-ups come courtesy of the one-piece recoil spring and full-length guide rod, engineered for smooth cycling. Dovetail 3-dot white sights make target acquisition fast and intuitive in any light. Safety features include a trigger safety, grip safety, and ambidextrous magazine catch, giving you confidence every draw. MSRP, 42,000 pesos, or $590. This is the Springfield Armory XD 5-inch 9mm, low capacity, full-size power, smart carry design, uncompromised readiness. Go to your nearest gun store for the price and availability.